Using Respondus Lockdown Browser, Canvas New Quizzes, and ReadSpeaker is even easier now. Click on a new quiz. Click on Open Lockdown Browser. Click Begin. Press the Control key and the R key simultaneously. On the top of your Respondus screen, you will see the login screen for TextAid. Type in your TextAid username and password, then click Login. The bookmarklet will appear on your page. Remember, the bookmarklet requires you to highlight material, and then click Listen. Position the player where you want it on the screen. For our first question, let's use Enhanced Text Visibility along with Listen. Highlight part of the question. Click on the Listen button, then pause, and then the gear. In the Enhanced Text Visibility section, click the option for On. Click Close. Highlight the question and click Listen.
Which of the following tools are found in WebReader? Mark all that apply.
Highlight each answer individually, and click Listen.
Page mask. Click and listen. Reading voice. Reading ruler. Settings.
We know that WebReader has all the tools listed except the reading ruler. Let's look at question 2. Let's turn off Enhanced Text Visibility, and change the text highlighting options. Notice that the bookmarklet is still extended. Click on the gear. In the Enhanced Text Visibility section, click on the option, Off. Let's select a yellow word, with a green sentence. Click Close. Highlight the question, and click Listen.
I use DocReader to read which of the following file types in content.
Highlight each answer individually and click Listen.
MP3, Office files, DocX, PPTX, XLSX, PDFs, plain text, and rich text. HTML. MP4.
We know the answer is Office files, PDFs, plain text, and rich text. For our last question, let's use a faster speed. On the bookmarklet, click on the gear. Click the fast option for speed. Click Close. Highlight the question and click Listen.
I need to use the TextAid bookmarklet to read Canvas New Quizzes.
Highlight each answer individually and click Listen.
True. False.
And we know the answer to this question is true. Now go through the normal quiz submission process. Reading quizzes has never been easier when using ReadSpeaker in Canvas New Quizzes, along with the Respondus Lockdown Browser.